Polite requests in English with may. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another lesson on conversational English. Today, we're focusing on polite expressions for making requests, particularly using the word may. May can help us sound more polite and formal in English, especially when we're making a request. So let's jump right in. The word may is often used in formal situations to ask for permission or make a polite request. It's not as commonly used in everyday casual speech, but you'll often find it in more formal or professional environments. Here are some examples. 1. May I take a day off next week? 2. Excuse me, may I borrow your pen, please? 3. May I have some more tea? Remember, may is more formal and polite than can, but its use is less common in everyday conversations. When making polite requests, we often also use could and would. But how are they different from may? 1. Could is used to ask for something that is not sure to be allowed or possible. It can also be used as a more polite form of can. 2. Would is used to ask someone to do something in a polite way, or to invite someone to do something. For instance, could I use your phone? You're not sure if the person will allow it. Would you mind closing the door? You're asking someone to do something. Now, let's look at some more examples of using may for making polite requests. 1. May I suggest a different approach? 2. May we begin the meeting now? 3. May I use your restroom, please? In all these cases, may gives the request a sense of respect towards the person you're asking. It shows that you're considering their feelings and you're not demanding anything. That's it for today's lesson, folks. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to use may for making polite requests in English. Practice using may in your daily conversations and observe how it changes the tone of your requests. Remember, learning is a continuous process, so keep practicing, keep learning. See you in the next lesson.